coming up with some. Yeah, dog, I saw it done. Spend we wanna cash, no, we never beg none. Let me now. Road king in the town. It's your boy, Uncle London. No, we never miss one. I kill.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Josh here with SSC Super Sport Enthusiast, and we're going to another car show. Let's get to it. There are bugs on the car, and I know we just left the house and we're going to this show, but it's not happening. We need all that. Oh, hold on. We need all that gone. They gotta go. So let's wash them down real quick. Met you with the party with your bitch. I can leave the party with a bitch. You were down on my ex, baby girl, you always been a bitch. If you break, I'm keeping on your plate. You know that I'm down for ya. I'll listen to your problems for hours, girl. I'm the only nigga that you know the beat is you in the shower, girl. Niggas sleep on your wall, my house wide open, girl. Now it's time to be honest. You should tell me what's going on. You should tell me what's going on. Alright, we showed up, and of course I am going to hit these car sections one by one, so be patient, people. First, we're checking out this Supra. I believe the owner said it does about 1,000 to the wheel.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always.
Alright, and we got the BMW gang, guys, of course. What we have right here is a M3, as you can see. Pretty nice. What tires are those? I want to say those are Toyos. Nope, they're hand-cooked. Okay. Remember, gotta always show love to get love. Go ahead and check him out at that word. I'm not mispronouncing anything today. I don't got time for it. And he a Uber. Ooh, what's up? Then gotta pay for race gas, right? Shit. And we have a 5.0 right here. It looked like it is lowered. Very bold with the wheels, you know. I'm more of a black, solid black guy, but not. I know I'm black, guys, but I'm talking about the wheel itself. Hellcat, Maserati. Sorry, but this blue is sick.
Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause
alright, let's look at the kit on this BMW. Let me make sure I'm right here. So it is an M4. We have the carbon fiber wing. As you guys can see, I don't know this color exactly. It's like a sunburnt orange or something. Let's check out interior. Pretty nice. We do have a half cage, fire extinguisher. Got the M4 racing bucket seats. Oh, actually, we have the carbon fiber hood too, or roof. So the roof carbon fiber front, and then look at the lip. I like it, guys. I like it. Not too bad at all. Porsche is sick, but that R8 though. That R8. Body kit, side skirt, front lip, big Wang gang. Almost mistake this Subaru for a Honda Type R. Whew, so close. But come on, don't you guys think that at first without looking at the front sign? This is a Honda Type R, but it is a Subaru STI dealership, and they want 43 grand. 43. It comes with Recaro racing seats. Alright, got the some pinstripe red on there, a little darker red wise. Some, you know,
shiny gloss plastic inside, nothing too fancy. And it is a 6-speed manual. I know I was manual my whole life, but I'm sorry guys, autos take it all right now. I'm sorry, it is what it is. Alright, what we have here is a 2016 BMW. It is a M235i convertible. I don't do convertible. I don't know, I'm just not that kind of guy. I know I'm in Florida, but it's not that serious. It's not that serious. With the exclusion of one BMW, we got the Porsche gang all lined up. For all my old schoolers out there, what you think? This M4 is pretty bold with the tire lettering. Pretty bold with the tire lettering. I wouldn't go blue. I would look for the same color. And of course, if you have a car that don't have your color, I'd stay white. What you guys think? Let me know. What do you guys feel about that? I love it though. I'm not here to talk crap on people's car. I definitely love it. It is something different. And oh my God. Damn, I actually found the Honda Type R now. So, in reference to the Subaru, this is what I almost made a mistake on. And this big ass wing in the back, man. It's crazy. Everybody's coming a long way. Let's do a quick checkup on baby girl. She's here, looking nice. Damn, those turbos are huge. And this is a Camaro. Alright guys, hopefully you can hear me. We are out. I'm trying to put the mic on so I know you hear that, but we are out. It was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the cars that we got to see. Until next time, I'm super tired. It's now only 7:30 in the morning. We got here at like 5, 6 o'clock. Super early. Hold on. But we are out. Please don't forget, if you like this video, to hit that like button. Share it with your people. Let's grow this family. Let's do what it do. It's your boy Josh, SSE Super Sport Enthusiast, and I'm out.
It's coming up with some. Yeah, dog, I saw it done. Spend we wanna cash, no, we never beg no. Let me now. Road king in the town. It's your boy.